if you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can see, I am rocking this super cute auburn hair color. This hair is brought to you by JuliaHair company, so of course I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize this unit, as well as a full install tutorial. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. Bye.
Lacey, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this box, I received a silk wig bag, a wig cap, a head wrap, some clips, and some eyelashes. This unit is a reddish brown 13 by 4, 150% density wig. This unit is 18 inches long and has adjustable straps and combs. Let's get our handy dandy wig supplies. I've got that quick blue powder 50 volume developer. We're gonna mix that up and create a thick consistency. We're gonna take some spray and spray that hairline back so we can avoid over bleaching, and then just go ahead and add that bleach into the lace unit. I let this sit for over an hour, maybe 2 hours, you guys. And yeah, and I'm gonna show you when I wash this out how we're going to fix these like little red knots. So here I'm gonna wash it out. I waited like 2 hours. I low-key forgot about this wig, I'm not even gonna lie. That's why it looks a little bit crazy, but I didn't really like that red tint, so I got that color remover by L'Oreal, put it in a bowl and get some filtered water. I didn't put too much water because I want that nice thick consistency like we did with that bleach. I let this sit over 10 minutes. I low-key forgot about this too. And then here I washed it out. I used some purple shampoo, I believe. Yeah, purple shampoo, washed it, and then checked to see how the knots was doing, and it looks magnifico. And then this is the next day, air dried, and we're gonna take our Dark and Lovely blowout spray and just spray this hair so we can get ready to blow dry it as straight as possible, because what we're gonna do is cut some layers into it, get some curtain bangs, have that nice 70s look that you've seen in the beginning. So here I just made a nice middle part just so I can be guided. And now we are parting this unit's bangs first. So I started from the end of that frontal to the beginning of the frontal and made that nice little triangle, and then just cut the bangs. And then I split the bangs in half and just cut diagonal. Like you can see, I don't really know how to explain this part, girl, but you can see how I'm doing everything. I have another curtain bang tutorial as well. I'll link that. I don't know which one might look better, but after I do the bangs here, I'm going to start lining up like the rest of the hair, like creating a nice V shape form. So yeah, this will create that nice like layered V cut look. So it's very wolf cut type of look, if you guys know what I'm talking about. And then I just section it off vertically now and just match up the shortest hairs to the longest hairs, but make sure we raise it up 80 degrees or 90 degrees, girl. I don't know my degrees, but you know what I mean. And do it all throughout the hair. And now we're going to work on plucking these hefty, thick knots. Girl, this took me an hour to pluck. Like my wrist was hurting so bad. So beware, this hairline is thick as can be, okay? Thick like Nicki Minaj, thick like Megan Thee Stallion, okay? So get some patience up in there. You might have to go all the way back and pluck through. Look at all that. Look at all that hair I'm plucking. But she was able to, you know, look good, look normal. And now we're going to curl this unit, do that nice little pin curl. I'm going to be getting some Tresemme Ultrafine hairspray in the level 3. This is top tier hairspray, okay? You don't want to get something super harsh, and then you don't want to get something super light. You just want it in the middle. So I got a level 3. I got it at my local Walmart. I'll try to find it and link it below, but I got it at Walmart. Like, yeah, so as you can see, I spray the hair first, and then a trick with pin curling on each side, you have to curl away from the face. So any side that you're on, you're curling away. So see how I'm curling away from the face right here? Like, I don't know how to say it, like curling towards the left side, and then when I get on the other side, I'm curling towards the right side. Does that make sense? I'm curl away from the face. And that's how you get that nice, like, luscious curls. Like, a lot of people are trying to figure out how to pin curl correctly. I think this method is the best method I personally like when doing the pin curl method. So yeah, don't forget to spray before and after your pin curls, okay, girls? We want those curls to last all day. And yeah, I'm actually super hyped. It's been a while since I did a hair video, so yeah. So now we are here, we are moisturized. Look at my skin, she is skinning, okay? I'm gonna take my Ebin black can. That black can does some justice, honey. Melting that wig into my skin, okay? So we let that sit and let that dry for a few minutes. It dries super fast, actually. And then once everything's dry, I just cut the excess lace and get my Ruby Kisses concealer. Y'all know I be preaching about this concealer. And I put that all throughout the head and then into this wig. And then just apply the wig as normal. But you know, I found the song, well, it's not a new song, it's an oldie but goodie song. So I'm just gonna let you watch this video while I play this song. And I'm gonna come back to you when the song's over, okay? Enjoy!
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. And I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't change, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face. Please, It's you, it's you, it's you, it's you. Walk out that door, no, yeah.
I hope you enjoyed that song as much as I did. As you can see, I'm curling the frontal of my unit because I did not curl that off of my head. I do want to, you know, shape the curls towards my head and not the dome head, so that's why I'm curling it on my head. And once I'm finished, as you can see, I got some press-ons looking cute. I just take an alcohol wipe and just brush that through and then comb through my baby hairs and then press it out with a hot comb after. So, you know, it can give that fluffiness back. And then here I'm just cutting at a diagonal angle. Does that make sense? I don't know. But I'm taking my flat iron pencil or pencil flat iron and curling that baby hair or all the baby hairs and just brush it. I am using the same hairspray that I use to lay the curls and swooping those back. So yeah, I love using hairspray to form my baby hairs. I don't know why, but as you can see, I got my makeup done. It's time to take out these pin curls, and once we take them all out, we are then going to take a wide tooth comb and we're just going to comb towards our face. So yeah, towards our face. This will create maximum volume. So we're going to comb towards it. I'm missing, like, it wasn't until after the video I found out I was missing another pin curl. It's in the back. But after we comb towards our face, we're just going to shake up and down, and then comb back away from our face now, so those curls can fall on top of each other. Once we do that, I just then clean up a little bit more of my bang area, like cutting it and letting these curls fall on top of each other. And yeah, this is like more like a wolf cut type of look. I actually really like it, especially on shorter hairstyles like 18 inches, because I feel like it gets more volume and more, like, you know, I don't know, it's super cute. So yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I want to thank you so much, Julia Hair Company, for letting me try out this gorgeous unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below. And we'll see you in our next episode. Bye.
I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning.